Hi friends, Mr. Duffy here, live at the Mousework Studios. Today we're going to do a little cooking and we're going to make one of Mr. Duffy's specialties, the microwave scrambled eggs. So you don't need the stove, you don't need a frying pan, you don't even need oil, you don't need all that smell. So this is wonderful. What you will need though is a microwavable dish, a fork, some salt and pepper. I like a little bit of Worcester sauce, some milk, eggs of course, and I like to add a little bit of shredded cheese to mine. Alright, let's get to it. So we're going to take our egg and let me just angle this a little bit better for you. Move these guys over. There we go. Take your egg, crack it and put it in the bowl. This can go in the green cart. Make sure you wash your hands before you start. I already did that. Take another egg. Into the bowl it goes. And I'm going to just put like a splash of milk. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to put just 2 little drips of Worcester sauce in there. Just sprinkle, sprinkle. Just take it real easy. Done. Tons. Alright. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Perfect. And then I'm going to use my fork to whisk. If you have a whisk at home, like, where's my whisk? If you have one of these, even better. But I'm going to show you with a fork because I know not everyone has a whisk at home. Alright, so take your bowl, angle it a little bit, and just start to mix it all about. And what you're looking for is everything to kind of become one creamy yellow color. So the milk's mixed in, the spices are mixed in, the yolk and the rest of the eggs all mixed together. Alright, there we go. So you want to end up with something that looks something like that. So what I'm going to do is pop that in the microwave. And I'm going to put it on for about 1.5 minutes, 130. We'll let that cook away. What you're going to need to do is mix it some more. So when I take it out, I'll show you it's going to be partly cooked and part not cooked, and you don't want to eat raw eggs. So, and then we'll add the cheese, the next step too. So we're going to give it a mix, add a little bit of sprinkle of cheese, and then we'll see how it turns out. All right, that's about 1 minute into it. I'm going to put the eggs back in the fridge and the milk too. Be right back. Alright, let's see how things are looking. 40 more seconds. Nice thing about this too is it washes up real nice. You don't have to, the eggs won't stick like they do in a frying pan. You just put it in the sink, wipe, you're done. Love it. Love it. And you'll find out they taste delicious. You know what I'm saying? Delicious. 22 more seconds. Ten seconds. Alright. Now this is going to be a little hot, so be careful. Okay, this actually cooked mostly, but if we pull this back, that's pretty good actually. That one worked out really good. Usually what happens for me is you get some of the, if it still looks like liquid, you have to add a little more stirring to it, but this one looks pretty darn good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. And I'm just gonna nuke that for another 15 seconds, okay? Five, four, three, two, and one. A little stir here. Oh my goodness. No kitties allowed. All right, I'm just gonna add just a touch more salt here. Oop, a little bit too much there. All right, doing a little stir here. And let's try it. Oh, delicious. Delicious. So there is one way you can make some scrambled eggs. Don't need a stove, just need the microwave. And yeah, pretty easy, and that took a minute and a half for it to cook. So yeah, you can check it after a minute, depends how many eggs you do and what kind of dish you have. But anyways, hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna eat some scrambled eggs. We'll see you next time here at the Mousework Studios. Bye for now.